Can you make a 6-year-old SUV look like new at home? Watch me deep clean, clay bar, wax and ceramic coat my Tata Hexa without going to a detailing shop. Welcome to Next What? I am Venkat. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the list of products that is required for detailing work today. 3M Car Care Shampoo, Turtle Wax Ceramic Spray Coating, 3M Cream Wax, Clay Bar, Pressure Washer, Bucket of Water, some sponge and a good microfiber cloth. Step 1 is shampoo wash, but before we do that, we need to rinse the car to remove the dust particles etc. on the car. Now let's get started with the shampooing. Half bucket of water with around 30 to 50 ml of car care shampoo, whatever you have. Mix it nicely and then get started. You can either use a foam spray method or just by hand shampooing also is fine. Apply it nicely everywhere. Clean as much as possible in all the surface areas. Try to keep the cloth as much as clean possible to avoid more swill marks further. So after the shampoo work is completely done, now it's time to rinse off the car again one more time. Neat and nicely everywhere we have to do a pressure wash so that we get rid of the complete dust, grime, particles etc. everything. That's what I'm doing now. So the next step is to do clay bar and prepare the clay bar in such a way that it is thin layer and do nice lubrication by applying some soap water. Not too much of soap water but a little bit. So after the clay bar treatment, now next comes is you have to again rinse the car one more time to get rid of all the dust particle or any kind of dirt from the body panels to get rid of it. And then comes your car is ready for the next step, which is waxing the car. And waxing step is very straightforward and simple but very effective. Just apply the cream wax in all the nook and corner of the body panels and then spread it across Give it a minute or so, and then start buffing it off using a microfiber clean cloth, preferably a fresh cloth. So this cream wax, you can apply it on all the body panels like paint areas, glass areas, but not on the plastic areas or wheel arches or wheels caps or something like that. So buffing is kind of a little tougher job, I would say. In case you have a buffing machine, it will make your job very easy. Little more extra shining you may get. Nevertheless, but I don't have a buffing machine, because of which I am doing it using my hands itself. Let's see. Next step comes is your ceramic spray coating, and today I'm using turtle wax hybrid solution ceramic spray coating along with the sponge. Just that I'm applying the spray first on the sponge, it soaks well, and then directly applying the sponge on the core body panels, so that I don't miss out any one part also. It's thoroughly applied in each and every nook and corner of the body panel. And immediately I'll be using a fresh microfiber towel again to wipe off the ceramic spray coat. This is very must mandatory. Don't let the ceramic spray coat to dry off directly without wiping. So do this entire process in all the body panels and everywhere. Even on the glass panels also you can apply this ceramic spray coating. I have done this. After the ceramic spray coating, this is how it looks now, and I have even applied some polish on my wheels, body plastic parts, and the wheel arches area, everything, and it looks very nice and neat. So here it is, and with this we have come to an end of this video, and totally worth the effort that I have put on this Tata Hexa detailing process. Really, it looks very refreshed, and total cost I would say approximately around less than 1500.